Every AI agent you've used does one thing: writes, codes, searches. I found one that does the whole thing: product, brand, site, ads, influencers. One prompt. You've got ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, CapCut for your videos, some other tool for ads, another one for your brand kit, and you're still the one stitching it all together every single time. That's not a workflow, that's a second job. And here's what makes it even worse. None of these tools talk to each other. You're constantly copy-pasting context from one tab to the next. You're paying for 5, 6, 7 different subscriptions, and you're still the one doing the research, figuring out what's trending, what products have margin, what content is actually working right now. None of them remember your brand. None of them know what you did last week. You start from scratch every single time. What if the loop just closed itself? What if one agent did the research, found the high-margin product, built the brand, deployed the website, generated trend-based content, ran your meta ads, and then read the reviews and did it all again? That's not a fantasy. I'm going to show you exactly that live. This is Higgsfield Supercomputer. One agent. Every frontier model. GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok. Every Higgsfield tool. 27 platform integrations. One sentence, product and distribution as one loop. You drop in a niche, a brief, a product URL, or a reference video, and it routes everything automatically. No prompt engineering, no model selection, no manual stitching. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Now here's the thing that actually separates this from everything else, and it's not the workflows, it's the engine underneath them. Every other AI agent loses the picture. You drop in a TikTok URL, they screenshot it, describe it in text, and throw the actual video away. What comes back is generic, a description of a video, not a recreation of one. Supercomputer keeps the picture. Frame-by-frame visual analysis, audio track analysis, hook detection. It finds the exact moment the hook lands, pacing and composition extraction. So when you drop in a viral TikTok and say, adapt this with my product, it rebuilds it scene by scene, not description to prompt, the actual visual loop. And then there's the long-form consistency problem. The industry cracked 5-second clips. That's solved. That's easy. The hard part is keeping the same face, same outfit, same lighting across 50 chunks of a podcast or a film. Supercomputer handles this with Soul ID, persistent face identity, element binding for wardrobe and props, persistent storyboard sheets for continuity at scale, feature-length cinema from one prompt, hour-long podcasts from one prompt. The first 5 seconds are easy. The next 50 minutes, that's the moat. Now, let's start creating with Supercomputer. First, visit Higgsfield.ai. Higgsfield hosts a wide variety of AI models, but today our main focus is on their new supercomputer feature. I will leave the direct link in the description and the pinned comment, so be sure to click that to access the Higgsfield supercomputer directly. As you can see on the dashboard, it greets me by asking, BigWiz, what are we creating today? There are countless projects you can create with this AI agent. If you look at the options, we have the Personal Clipper, Build with Skills, Create UGC, Run Marketing, Shoot Cinema, Animate, and many more. This tool is truly remarkable. If you check the right-hand panel, you will see options for New Task, Search, and Skills. The Skills feature essentially allows you to train the AI to replicate your specific workflow and creative process. Next, we have Connections. I highly recommend this feature. You can link the supercomputer to a variety of external applications, including Telegram, Google Drive, Google Docs, and WhatsApp Business. Connecting these apps allows the AI to seamlessly synchronize with your daily workflow. Below that, we have Files, which stores all the assets you have generated. As you can see, I have tested this tool extensively before recording, and the results are impressive. Next is the Memory tab. In this section, you can create your own custom memory parameters or import existing memories from other AI applications. It is important to note that the supercomputer serves as a hub for multiple top-tier AI models. It uses Gemini as the primary orchestrator and includes models like Claude 3 Opus, Sonnet, and even Grok. What makes this tool exceptionally intelligent is that whenever you submit a prompt, the supercomputer automatically selects the most capable model for that specific task. You don't have to guess. It will always choose the right model to get the best result. When you click the plus sign in the command bar, you have the option to upload an image, an element, a skill, or a connector. Let's go ahead and create a simple video to demonstrate this. I will input my prompt here. For this example, I'm asking the AI to create a cinematic short film. This is a very straightforward prompt. I will leave the default settings as they are. While you can manually select any of the available models, I will stick with Gemini as the orchestrator. Now I will hit Run. The Higgsfield Supercomputer immediately begins painting the frame, building the scenes, and adding intricate details to bring the concept to life. Throughout the process, the AI will ask you clarifying questions, much like a human assistant would. Here, it is asking if I would like to build character and location assets using specific soul models. I will simply click on Yes, Create Characters and Locations, and hit Continue. The AI will proceed based on my selection. Because Gemini acts as the orchestrator, it understands the unique strengths of every connected model. It flawlessly allocates the workload, ensuring you always get the highest quality output without any confusion. This level of automation is incredibly efficient. As you can see, the AI is now generating our character concepts right on the screen. It provides multiple variants, showing both the face and the back view of the character. The system then asks me to lock in my preferred lead character. After reviewing the options, like the hoodie variant, I will select my favorite. The system is now confirming and generating our finalized character. Next, it presents the generated locations. These are the detailed environments where our character will be placed throughout the film. It then asks me to choose the initial starting location, specifically a cluttered apartment. I will select the first option. Next, it asks for the final modern high-rise office location, representing the character's eventual success. I prefer the sleek glass high-rise variant, so I will select that one as well. Now, all 8 scenes are generating simultaneously in the workspace. These initial image frames establish the environments that will be animated into the final video clips. We will give it a moment to process. All the images are fully rendered and the visual quality is outstanding. It maintained strict continuity from the first scene to the last. Let's preview the final stitched cinematic result. Now that our short film is done, let's explore another powerful feature. One of my favorite capabilities is the Create UGC Ad function. If you provide a link to a TikTok video, the AI will analyze it frame by frame to replicate the structure and pacing for your own product. Let's put this to the test. I'll start a new task and input my prompt. In this prompt, I'm giving the supercomputer a specific TikTok link and instructing it to rebuild that exact style of video. Before we hit run, let's quickly watch the original TikTok video so you know what we are trying to recreate.
I finally got AirPods Pro 5. Let's open them. This is so exciting. Here they are. They look a little different than the picture on the box. Speaking of box, the only other thing in here is just extra ear tips. Let's turn them on. Oh. There's a cute little animation whenever you take the AirPod out. Something kind of seems off. I'm going to try to connect them to Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Let's put them in. Tell me if you guys can hear this. I'm going to turn it all the way up. They sound really good. Like, actually really good.
That's the target video. My prompt instructs the AI to watch it frame by frame, extract the hook, the box reveal, the close-up product shots, the creator's reaction, the ASMR pacing, and the text overlays. I then commanded it to rebuild this formula as a UGC unboxing ad for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo. I'll go ahead and upload an image of the drone to the chat. Because the AI has real-time internet access, it already knows exactly what this product looks like, but uploading the image helps ground the context. I'll click Run, and the supercomputer, guided by Gemini, will begin processing the elements. We will give it a moment to bring this concept to life. I will select the classic style and click Continue. Once again, you're simply answering multiple-choice questions to guide the output. Our new UGC video ad is fully generated. Let's preview the final result.
I finally got the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo. Let's open it up. This triple camera system is absolutely insane. Look at these lenses. You've got fold-out aerodynamic wings, the premium RC Pro 2 controller, and the sturdy carrying case, of course. And wait for this, 3 batteries in the box giving you 51 minutes of flight time. Link in bio, DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More combo.
That worked perfectly. But what if you want to create an ad for your own personal brand or a custom product? You can easily upload your own product imagery for the AI to build around. I'm going to upload an image of my own brand, BigWiz, below. It's a pre-workout energy drink. I'll attach the product shot to the chat so the AI can use it as the centerpiece of a new product ad. I'll upload the file and paste my prompt, which reads, "Here is a product image of Whizbelow Pre-Workout Energy Kick, a dark amber glass bottle," and so on. I'll leave the default settings and hit Send. Just like before, the AI immediately begins building the scenes and compositing the details. You just sit back and let the agent do the heavy lifting. As you can see on screen, it has successfully generated several stunning high-resolution shots of the energy drink. The AI is now asking which format I prefer for this clip, a UGC ad, a product demo with a voiceover, or a cinematic short film. I will select the product demo with voiceover option and click Continue. Next, it asks what the audio should focus on. I want it to highlight cinematic ambient gym sounds, so I'll type that into the prompt box. It then asks whose voice should describe the pre-workout. I will select a male voiceover and hit Continue. The AI is now rendering the final video. Our custom product ad is finished generating. Let's check it out. The power and quality of this tool is incredible. So now you've seen a few practical use cases for the supercomputer, including generating cinematic short films, TikTok-style UGC ads, and custom product commercials. But let me make the broader potential concrete. Supercomputer can handle your entire business research. If you drop a product category into the chat, it will find high-margin products that are easy to promote on social media before you spend a single dollar. It also builds and deploys websites. It doesn't just create a mock-up, it writes the code and ships a live website for the exact product it recommended. It also generates marketing content based on real-time trends mapped directly to your niche, updating every few hours. It even integrates with your Meta Ads account to analyze campaign performance. It scales the creatives that are converting and kills the ones that aren't, effectively replacing a media buying team within a single chat window.
It runs an automated content factory, creating hundreds of UGC ads with different hooks and formats, rotating them until you achieve the lowest cost per click. Here's what all this means. You can start with nothing but a niche and a single prompt and walk away with a fully researched product, a live website, a content calendar, an active Meta or Google Ads campaign, and an automated UGC factory. There's no need for an agency, a large team, or a massive stack of software subscriptions. It's one agent, one loop, and one complete business. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to start creating with the supercomputer today. My suggestion for your first project, drop in a TikTok URL of an ad you wished you had made. Watch the AI perform its frame-by-frame analysis and rebuild it entirely around your product. That's the moment the true power of this tool will click for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth AI workflow breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.